Hi, this is Peter Churchill in the final part of the Web Jobs app video. So in this one we just want to go through how we've set up the app and just how the application can be captured and then how that appears in Salesforce and how you can then integrate that with your existing org. So you'll see here this was the page we were on where we'd built the demo position and we have a link to the job announcement, and you'll see that the system knows to take you to the next page. It doesn't need any special links created or any configuration on the pages. You'll see I've added a bit more information, and you'll see there's some very basic styling that's been applied, and you can look in the page to see how that's done, but you can, if you've seen other sites pages, do very advanced styling to any Visualforce page. And then we can click on that button. You see the apply now. You'll see we have certain required fields, and we can just scroll through there. We can fill in various bits of information, and we can just scroll down. You'll see we can have all sorts of different information about what we want to capture. We can have them fill in a text cover letter, and we can have them also, if they so wish, attach a resume. So we can go in here and we can say they can attach a Word document. We click submit, and you'll see that we can use standard validation that we hear about on any Salesforce type file. So here we say, where do we hear about the position? We did it through a search engine. Then we click submit. And then we get a thank you page that appears, and all this stuff is configurable. So let's look back in Salesforce. So we've had a sites page. We look at the position again. And now when we look at that position, we can see that now we have a candidate supplied. So we click on the candidate record. We've given it an ID, we have a name. And when we click on that candidate record, we can see not only the details that we just put in, we can see the cover letter if we wanted to better search for it, and we can see that the attachment is now here that was inserted through the sites page. So in less than 5 minutes, we've been able to put up a site, put up a job posting, receive a candidate, and now using workflow and all the internal functionality of Salesforce, we can manage our job application process in a far more efficient way than just receiving emails and hoping that they get to the right person. And then one other thing to note is that I've included some code which we got from one of the other members of the community, where if I click on position tree, we'll see that we're using a little bit of jQuery to make a richer UI experience. So instead of a standard report, you'll see that under each position we can then click on a candidate record, and it's going to bring back that detail. So there's another example of how you can then extend the standard Salesforce functionality to start using some of the newer UI techniques we're seeing more and more of in the Salesforce world to really enhance that user experience and make navigation a lot more efficient. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that's shown you how to get some data in there, and hopefully it's something you can use to then really begin to expand your use of Salesforce into other areas of your organization. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to email me about the package or about the Washington DC user group, there's my email address, dcusergroup@gmail.com. Thanks again.